Hi Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August 26 to 28 reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. So again, nagla-live tayo doon. Kung hindi nyo naman siya maabutan, yung live, no? Pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So, parang nalilito tayo, no? Parang this is the first time that we actually felt this way. Meron dito parang gusto mong oo na hindi, na meron parang nagtatalo dito yung isip at yung puso mo. Yung isip mo sinasabi, ay wag, no? Wag mo nang gawin, wag mo nang suyuin, wag ka na mag-sorry, move forward. Pero yung puso mo, I'm still missing the person. No? Hindi pwedeng hindi. The higher power and the mending in here, parang kasing sabihin natin meron na talaga ditong either energetic or physical separation. So what is physical separation? Physical separation is self-explanatory na yung katawan ninyo magkahiwalay. No? Katawan magkahiwalay. You're not Siamese. Twin, no? What I'm trying to say here is yung hindi kayo magkasama in physical form. Ayan. Ang energetic separation, pwede naman magkasama kayo, pero hindi kayo nag-uusap. Ayan. Pwedeng nasa isang bubong kayo, nasa isang classroom, nasa isang building, no? Nakikita, pero hindi nag-uusap. So parang naging cold, no? Baka may naka-block, no? Conversations are not that good. You're not in conversation with this person, probably. Or papunta na doon. So, parang sa'yo, hindi ko alam. Actually, this might be a very selfless, no? Actions that Scorpio can do. And this is very rare para kay Scorpio, no? Pasensya na kung pumipikit-pikit ako, Scorpio. Hindi po ako sanay sa parang ilaw na ganyan na masakit sa mata. So, I'm sorry. I'm gonna do something about it, no? So, pagbigyan nyo muna ako na medyo pumipikit-pikit. At dito ako titingin kasi hindi ako sanay. Hindi po tayo showcase na tao. So, masasanay din tayo. Anyway, ang sinasabi kong hindi tayo sanay, hindi ganito si Scorpio. Yung kapag mali ka, no? Kunyari ikaw si person, mali ka, paninindigan kung ikaw dapat ang manghingi ng sorry sa akin. And actually, it's not just a Scorpio. No, that's actually the rule of thumb, di ba? Na, bakit ako magsasorry sa'yo? Ikaw to may mali, di ba? Bakit kita susuyuin? Ikaw nga itong nagkasala. Pero this time, no, parang sinabi natin siguro yung dito papasok yung 1 Corinthians, I don't know the verse. No, love is blah blah blah, love is blah blah, love keeps no records of wrongs. Ayan. So parang sabi mo dito, ako na itong mag-reach out, no, para matapos lang natin itong sigalot sa ating dalawa. I wanted to make peace because I miss you, I love you. No? Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, napaka selfless dahil tinanggal na ni Scorpio yung ego. Isa pa yan. No? When it comes to ego, ang hirap, no? Isa si Scorpio sa napakataas ang ego. Pero pagdating dito kay person mo, parang sige, I'm going to forget, no, that I am a Scorpio myself. Ayan. With the Empress, the Three of Pentacles. So para kasing ang iniisip mo dito is kung lalaki si Scorpio, no? Ayokong bigyan ng stress si person baka kasi nagdadalang tao, no? Ayoko kasing sabihin niya na porket alam ko na may itsura ako na lang palagi magpapahabol. Meron talaga ding emotion. See, the ego is still there, pero may bawi. No? Kung babae si Scorpio, ang nakikita ko dito na nakikinig, no? You're actually thinking of almost the same, pero wala naman dun yung pagbubuntis, no? Or it could be for, a very, um, yung maliit na percentage lang, no? Pero ang sinasabi mo kasi dito, ayoko rin naman isipin niya na nagmamalaki ako, no? Kahit kaya ko naman, which is very true. No, the Ten of Swords and the Death card, ang sayo lang is tapusin na ito dahil hindi naman siya nakakatulong sa relationship, hindi naman siya magandang experience, hindi siya maganda sa pakiramdam. Siguro, aminin na rin natin dito, I'm going to remove my shoes sa pagiging Scorpio. Aminin na rin natin na mahal din naman talaga din natin yung tao. With the World card and the Two of Pentacles. Pero kasi ang iniisip natin dito, mapipigilan ko ba siya? No? For a few numbers of you, baka merong tao dito na gustong mag-abroad, no? Or magpunta ng ibang lugar. Not necessarily abroad, baka pumunta ng ibang probinsya, umuwi ng probinsya, or magpunta ng Manila, no? Ng city, not just Manila. So magkakaroon ng physical separation. How can I stop my person from doing so? Or how can I change at least, no? What we have discussed, what I wanted here is a win-win situation that will work for me and work for my person. With the Seven of Cups, the Two of Wands. Actually, ang dami mo ng plans, ang dami mo ng gustong gawin, ang dami mo ng gustong sabihin. Siguro na kapag na rin tayo dito, no? We thoroughly think of the plans. Kumbaga, ililay mo na lang, no? Papakita mo na lang sa kanya. I need to clarify actually the Ten of Swords here and the Seven of Cups, no? Let's clarify the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords is clarified by the Hierophant. Ten of Swords is still the Ten of Swords. So parang sinasabi sa atin dito, someone wanted to extend, either help extend this idea, pero parang buo na. Nothing can change this person's mind or our person's mind. So with the Seven of Cups is clarified by the Lovers, pwede with the Knight of Wands. I feel like etong pagmamatigas ni person is very temporary, and if this person only hears, nakakita naman kasi ko ng agreement, and you're going to surpass the challenges with the Knight of Wands and the Lovers in here. The Lovers is actually surpassing the challenges. But I think na pag-iisipan itong mabuti, no? With the Page of Wands, and I feel like you and your person still gonna be together sa future. Let's say this might be a little challenging for the both of you not to wala kayo sa iisang goal for, a little period of time. Pero the course of this separation, no, I feel like maaayos naman talaga natin ito. Especially kapag naranasan niya, no, itong or things sinks in na um, mahirap pala talaga din, no? Yung mabuhay na malayo ng merong alitan. So, especially these oracle cards are giving me peace, the higher power, and the mending. So it just requires time, no, for this gap to be filled with love. I don't know what happened exactly, why there's a decision of separation. It could be work, it could be, personal, what have you. No, but this bit of backing off in the connection is also going to be one of the ways how this connection is going to be stronger right after the realization. No, so our love will never cease to exist, and I've been fighting a battle I can't win. So it felt like to me na parang lagi na lang ako ang mali. So whoever actually asked if I will be, kung kunyari ito bahay ko to, pinaalis kita, parang ang sa akin is ako yung lumalabas na palaging mali. So, hindi naman pwedeng ako yung umalis dahil bahay ko to. So, it's actually logical na, yeah, we need some separation. Ikaw ang umalis. Not in a bastos way, but it's actually logical, no? Kung um, meron din ako nakikitang scenario kanina dito na matagal ko nang ipinaglalaban to sa'yo, pero it felt like things are, hindi mo siya naririnig. So, umalis ako para maintindihan mo, no? I think like na itong mga sinasabi ko pumapasok lang dito, lumalabas sa kabila. So, parang I feel somewhat napapastos, or I feel like somewhat not important, no? So, yun yung sinasabi kong realization kanina na magsisink in and ma-realize na oo nga, sana nakinig na lang ako. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Gemini, Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Leo nandiyan, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn. Yeah, so this is your reading, no? Scorpio. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience, no? So, kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Yan. Pero, kilalang-kilala nyo yung sarili niyo, Scorpio, di ba? Alam nyo kung sasatisfy kayo sa yes or no na sagot. Yan. Kung hindi naman, diretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. Nandun po yung link ng aking website. Bubungad sa inyo agad yung question form. Now, sa question form, ibaba nyo lang ng konti, hindi siya kasya sa screen. Nandun po yung mga QR codes. QR codes are labeled, no? Makikita nyo how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. And I also created a promotion, no? Babaguhin ko yun in time, pero you can take advantage of it. That's 4 questions plus 1. So, discounted me 4 questions, may libre pang isa. And if you want to book a private reading, hanapin nyo na lang po yung QR code for private reading, no? So, kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, at gusto nyo manalo ng ating free private reading or personal reading, paki-report po, no, yung mga fake accounts na nasa description box. Take a screenshot and send nyo po sa designated email para makabunot po tayo once nag-apply natin yan. Bubunot po ako ng winner. Ayan. Uh, kung hinahanap po ninyo no, Scorpio, yung mga readings about exes, no, nilipad ko po siya sa Facebook. Kung hindi nyo mahanap yung Facebook, bumalik kayo doon sa ating um, question form. Makikita nyo yung mga icons doon sa taas ng question form. Kunya gusto nyo i-follow ako sa Facebook or hanapin itong X-Files, click nyo lang yung Facebook na logo or icon. Dadali na kayo doon sa page. No? So, Scorpio, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. Sige po sa susunod na video. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the